Hi, I'm Samuel Cortez. I am from Mexicali, Baja California, Mexico. I have a degree in political science from Cal Poly State University in San Luis Obispo, the top university in the Cal State system. I have a secondary teaching credential in social studies. I also have a master's degree in geography from San Diego State University. I also have some PhD work in geography from San Diego State and the UC Santa Barbara Joint Doctoral Program. I have been a high school and junior high school teacher teaching social studies. I've also, for about 15 years, I was the director of a program called Upward Bound at Cal Poly and as well as here at San Diego State University. I have been a well, I am a professor. I have been a professor, and I'm currently a professor at some of these places: San Diego State, Maricosta College, City College, Southwestern College, and Mesa College. I have traveled to some of the following places, among others: Mexico, many places in Mexico. I was born there and have lived in Mexico City, in Michoacan, which is where my dad is from. And of course, I've been in a lot of other places there. Been to Jamaica, to Canada, different places in Canada. I travel on train pretty much all over Canada. I've been to the UK, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, many other Caribbean islands. In the U.S., just about every state except a few states in the Midwest. Uh, my bucket list travel place that I would like to go is China. I would like to travel by train, literally going across China by train. And I also would like to navigate the Yangtze River. I would like to go on a boat across the Yangtze River. And I would like to go across Russia via what is called the Trans-Siberian train. It takes you all across Russia. And something quirky about me, I can speak and understand Jamaican patois. Yeah, man. I love Jamaican culture, especially reggae music. What I want.